Time to analyze. Good morning. Good morning. I don't know who's on, but good morning to whoever's on. All right, so I added these little session breaks on my chart. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them because I like them because it helps me to be able to see the highs and lows faster. Like here's the overnight high, here's the overnight low. It allows me to pinpoint that a little quicker. But I just don't like a lot of stuff on my chart. I don't know. It's like I don't like chaotic chart. But I made them really light, so I might make them even lighter than that. I don't have time to be trying to do this though, for real. Oh, it's already at like 13%. I mean, how much lighter can you get, Kevin? Maybe 9. Might be good. The CEOs will not have current quarter that was reported, the fact that they took the year. Okay. There was last year, they seemed that they really actually indicated for many that they were sort of the calm and the storm, and that they managed expenses very well. And there was okay. Let me do mine. I think this TV might be too loud. But I need to hear CNBC to see what's happening. Is Trump's tweeting anything? Tariffs changing? We missed it. Seniors have been using a lot more medical care. So this pre-market high. And I don't know. I think I don't like that to be that thick though. There's some question here as to whether this really is. Maybe I should have it like have it in the same way that we actually outdo its competitors last year. Now the company did run into issues in the stock market, obviously let me do it other things. Yes. The loss ratio at their advantage. See, low. As I said, in front of me, the island of tranquility. Well, the deals that's happening in Egypt and under Humana, and as you point out, at CBS and others. Then there's one other question, at least that was raised to me by some of you guys at first. The coding practices which have come under scrutiny, have they stopped up coding as much? That can hit revenue, so it makes your MLR as a ratio obviously higher because you have revenues that can have to go. So it makes sense. Because John McCann now got to use a Dr. Nate Justice. He was board for United Health. Harris County. I think he's got to. Yes. All right, so. Oh yeah, I should probably put this on my story. This morning, the other mentioned this was a space at least in which folks will hire. We have it all the time. Just talking about my what it says. It was the this week. I think it CBS because CBS is in a situation where there are so many volumes. There's so many records close that they're the last mistake. I don't know how to look at this. I don't mind saying that because only CBS is the best bit. Wow, we got pick up here. I'm just gonna send a link to the channel. Oh, I know where it is. My Discord. I can send it. Copy. CBS a week ago reiterated, right? It seems after CFO they reiterated the year, so you'd have a hard time imagining when you change to CBS. It may be a much more specific Q&A problem. Since he is an issue about what we're doing with Medicaid, but since in Eastern Area, Humana already went through this. So Humana is getting out of that. I like Humana passed back. I'm not saying anything's asking, because as soon as you get it, there's going to be some sort of poppers here. But the other one, that one, UNH screwed up, and the other guys really came through. With CBS is the star right now. And CBS, of course, you have to believe that there's going to be a mass closing of Walgreens because they've got sit more effective clock ticket on that. But yeah, want to get that done.
Listen to my this. I should have did this earlier.
They're all good use cases. Just unusualness. They would say unusualness because you say
Oh, shoot.
I'm at a sign. I'm at a sign. Yeah, accelerating meditating walk ride. Yeah, I'm trying to sort of, I just need to blind you versus things. And you're going to put me for Optimus, this machine that gets everything right. It was pre-AI. Right now, I feel like it's just a spreadsheet. Because, people may not know, they describe it as the health services business that serves the global health marketplace, including payers, providers, employers, governments. To your point, given all the analytics and all the information, shouldn't they be on top of it? Yeah, that's what was the Justice Department really after? Justice Department, they were really.
I'm glad I did a lot of my analyzation and analyzing yesterday. Because I'm wasting a lot of time here doing this. Okay. So it looks like price is coming back down. So yesterday I marked off this supply and demand zone right here based off of this volume up and then down. I marked this off and then overnight it hit this zone. And I also marked off this 15-minute order block right here, which I'm going to look and see. I may change this order block, and price did come up and hit the bottom of this order block and then drop overnight. So that all played out already. So now I have to do a little bit more analyzing to see what is it going to do now, since it did do all those things last night. So let's see. The price is just moving. So I'm gonna look at the 4-hour chart real quick. And maybe I'll change this to this 4-hour order block.
We'll have obesity, and you can't. This logistics injections don't look at this. It's too weight. Well, this is the data for this.
Good morning. Good morning. Hey. Yeah, I'm gonna change this to this 4-hour order block because price is hitting, and price hit off the middle of that because I added this red line to my order blocks, like a midline, so I know like midline of the order blocks. Oh wait, that's the supply. I want this. So this is the H4 order block now. And I guess I'll still keep this 4-hour order block because price is still utilizing it. Let's see. Here's another one, but it's still kind of the same. Because it's at the midline here, so I think I'm gonna leave it at the 4-hour order block. Honestly, I feel like, excuse me, it's not much more to analyze. Good morning. Is this SP? Yes, I changed to ES futures, which is S&P. For the last week, I have been trading S&P ES futures, and let me tell you, if you looked at my Instagram, the Trading Trance, you'll see I've been praising it. Like, it has been like heaven on earth. I don't even want to say that, but sorry, God. But seriously though, it's much calmer. It respects respects levels way better. Oh yeah, I need to do my book map. I'm in love with ES already. Okay, so this is I always want to say TD Ameritrade, but Charles Schwab bought them because I'm going to start trading these options QQQ, because I'm not giving up on NASDAQ, but I'm just going to trade them QQQ. I'm going to trade SMH, which is the semiconductor options, Palantir, and Apple. Those are the ones I decided I'm going to probably trade, do options trading with. I'll let you guys know about that. But anyway, let me do my book map levels. So what I'm seeing here is for buys 53.15, 53.10 too, but I don't like doing it when they're back to back like that, writing them both down. For sales 53.45. That's 53.45. And let's see, 53.87, 5400.
Last time people were storing the drone today, and again, I'm hearing about that as well from people.
53.87.
The water supply replaced fluoride.
53.85. Was that 85? Yeah, I think that's 85. And 5,500. Oh, it's 1,000 orders at 5,500. That's crazy. So, and 52.50 is 276. That's a good one. And 50. Where is this one? 53.15. Okay. All right, I'll mark that down. See buyers at 53.15. I'm telling y'all, if y'all want to make some money in the market and you're a new trader, like I'm glad that I've learned on NASDAQ, because it's a gift and a curse, because NASDAQ taught me to just be able to handle losses for one thing, 53.15, because NASDAQ will wipe you out quick, and then whipsaw you. NASDAQ is crazy. That's my old personality. I was crazy for a long time. I don't want to be crazy anymore. I want to be calm like ES. So I'm sticking with ES. But if you really want to, because NASDAQ would have you thinking that you're not a good trader and you don't know how to trade. And it's not really that. It's just NASDAQ is just crazy. Like, it just be doing the most. 53.30, like, that's too close to current price. Need something further down. 5,300, man. I need stuff like 52.50. I'm gonna do that one. 52.50. That's way too close to price. 52.50. 52.50. I want it to be close to price. Oh, and that's right on my swing point. Yeah. Okay. And then so I have 52.50. That's a good one because it's a lot there, like 100. I have 53.15. That's a good one. And then
Here, we have investor relationships, including thought partners, and market expertise in over 40 industry verticals.
53.12. I think that's, no, that's 15. I need to add, I keep on saying I need to add 52.55. No, that's right by 52.50. I don't want to do that. And 5,200. I don't plan on 52.25, but that's right by 52.25. I don't like having a bunch of those, so I may not do that. So 5,400 is a good one for here. 53.50. I think that's like right by price though. 53.50. It's 1,000 up here at 5,500. That's crazy. 54.50. All right. Yeah, but like I was saying, NASDAQ will have you thinking you don't know how to trade and have you in your feelings because the way it be moving. Now, ES moves the exact same patterns as NASDAQ, but much slower and calmer. And I like that. It's just 53.60. Okay. It's right there. 53.85. So if y'all wanna, I know people like it took me a long time because I kept saying like I don't want to give up on NASDAQ. I don't want to not trade NASDAQ. But I'm telling y'all, 53.45. I'm telling y'all, God just gave me a sign. Like God was just like, no, this is what we're gonna do. And I kept on trying not to listen to him, but you know, when you don't listen to God, He gonna keep on showing you that you need to be listening to Him. So he just kept on giving me all these signs, like I need to start trading ES, and I just kept on ignoring it. Like, no, I don't want to do that. And yeah, finally I just said, you know what? I'm just gonna listen, and it has been very good since I started listening.
This will include higher inflation and slower growth. Both survey and market boost measures of near-term inflation expectations have moved up significantly. It's survey participants pointing to perils.
I didn't do my write up, and I think it's just gonna be like, oh well, I'm just not gonna do it because I don't have time to write those levels right now. I think I'm gonna do one more at 53.87. I don't know why I'm so snotty, sniffly, because I'm pretty sure because the weather just went to 80. I mean, the weather just went to 30 degrees, 30 something degrees, and it was just almost 60 a couple days ago. Weather's crazy in my city. I'm a Midwest girl, so weather be all over the place. All right, 53.50. Did I do that? No, I didn't. But I probably should, huh? 53.50. Oh, I didn't make none of these anything. Sellers. All these supposed to be sellers. It was supposed to be buyers.
What you're saying is that if I look at the picture of what happened in the game, I have a better feeling than when I actually was this opposite interesting. That's the power and the president's power to remove directors of independent agencies. That is something they brought to this thing. Just like just yesterday, there was a big breaking piece by a great reporter or analyst writing about this. That's the underlying. It wasn't specific to the Supreme Court.
I have 5,200. I should do that one.
I mean, you probably would still be.
All right, we got 10 minutes to market open. So I did 200, 250. I did 53.15. I think that's enough because well, they have 53.30, but I think that's like so close to price. I'm not doing that. It's like literally right there. And they change quick here because 1 minute you'll be like, oh, 53.45. See? What is that? Did I do that one? 50. Oh, I did that. It's a sale. Well, look at this. 300 orders just came on 53.22. 53.22. But sometimes they just sit orders there and it really don't be nothing. But I'm just gonna mark it. Oh, that's 53.20 right there. I knew it was gonna be close. But yeah, like I was saying, it took me, I think it's already using it. It took me a minute to just go ahead and switch over, but I'm telling you, my life has changed. I'm not going back to whatever you call it, NASDAQ. I'm only gonna trade NASDAQ. Um I'm only gonna trade NASDAQ uh on few options. So this is my 15-second chart. Let's see what's going on here. We definitely should try to go up and get that. This is also a level to watch right here. I'm gonna put that. It's like a AOI. I don't like that. So dark. And we said not just pay with this thing, the end opens and celebrations. All part of it. So let's see what the market does. Unless something, right? You can buy yourself. Now just wait. Feel like I marked off everything. Oh yeah, I said I wanted to change. Oh, I think I changed that already up there. Okay, so I have my order block for up there. I have that order block up there. I have my swing point. I have my sellers. It's really nothing else to mark off here. I was gonna mark this swing point off, but it's a buyer's bookmark right there. So I'm not gonna mark that off. And I did notice that S&P does bigger moves after like the first 15 to 30 minutes of market open, and it does do big moves then. It does good moves at the market open, but I feel like the biggest moves come later. But I don't like being on there for a long period of time, so those charts, I've been giving myself like an hour, and then I'm out of here after that. 6 minutes. Just listen to the follow. Just go up on the street. I couldn't get podcast. It's a CNBC Plus. Oh, look at that. Dropping. This 15-second candle. Just fell 27 ticks, 28 ticks. That's a lot for S&P. And S&P, you can have short stops. My stop loss be like 5 ticks and 10 ticks. 5 and 10 ticks, and they don't get hit. You could never do that with NASDAQ. That'd be hitting 0.000 point of a second. Like, dang, look at S&P, look at ES just gone. S&P is gone. Free market just gave some big moves. Oh yeah, I need to get my Trading ready because I log into my trades on my phone on my Trading because that's where my ATM strategy is. And the ATM strategy is automatic trailing stop. It's called automatic trade management. Automatic trade management is what it's called. But it's a trailing stop that I have set up. Oh wait, am I in the right? I don't think I'm in the right account. I'm in my live account. I think next week I'm gonna start a small account challenge on my live account. So that's what I'm thinking I'm gonna do. If this week ends well, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start a live challenge, but we'll see. Small account, and it's gonna be on MES. MES, yeah. Because you only need $50 in your broker account on Trading to trade one contract at MES. $50, that's it. So if anybody wants to like start a small account challenge on Trading with ES, you only need to put a couple $100 in there. You could put $100 in there and trade one contract and have $50 worth of money to use for your stop loss. And one contract with a stop loss is like $20 of stop loss or something like that. Because if you use 4 contracts for like a 10-point stop loss, it's only like $50. So just so y'all know. Oh yeah, I want to mark up the 928 candle. I just have to start doing that and see if ES responds to this 928 candle like Nasdaq does. 928 bear. All right, market about to open in 14 seconds. What do you think it's going to do? It looks like it's on a downtrend, but it's right by that level. This book map, let's see, is this book map still good? It don't look like that book map orders is there anymore. 53.22 where they had, see, they're gone. And that was like hundreds of orders right there. So I'm moving that out of here. All right, market ready to open. Let's see. I think it's going to be a sell-off. Just knocking that down. And then coming back. Well, I should have took that buy. That was 30 ticks up. Could have been finished. We'll see. Well, that looks like it's about to drop down. See that doji so little? I don't know why I get so nervous trading this. Oh, that wants to come. Okay, let's see. It may want to go up to that 53.45 up to this one level here. Let's just see. It's rejecting a lot. Let's see what happens when it gets to this 928. If it rejects off of there, I'm gonna take a buy. But it went under, so I'm gonna go ahead. Take a sale. Ah, dang. All right. Knocked me out pretty quickly.
It's 170. It was, of course, it's simple as a kind of. It's a video.
I'm gonna wait, because that's one trade. I gotta stick to my trades where I'm not taking a bunch of trades. That was one. It's a lot of rejection here. Like,
yes, and yes, everybody has to have one. And it was anyone who doesn't want it. There is one out there doesn't want it, which is what
I need like a real, like, because it's a lot of rejection down there, especially on the 1 minute chart. It's rejecting a lot. That looks like it wants to go up, you know? All those wicks. But now it's our buy order still at 53.15. Yeah, and it's a lot at 53.12 now. But the thing is, they be just sitting out there and moving. We'll see how it plays out here. I want to be on the 15, so. Now look, it should reject from here because there's a lot of orders right here. Like right here, so 53.12. That's where it should reject from. And I thought, Microsoft, I was switching my CapEx over to AI, so I could, for once in a they just 3 years, you move your CapEx over. There's a lot of orders right there. People think you're a visionary and they start buying that. That's my plan. That's what I was doing. I was slow and open up. Okay, we in there. Oh, we got knocked out because our stops were so close. But that's okay. Because we recovered what I lost. I recovered what I lost. My stop was trailing so tight. I recovered what I lost, and I'm up $187. My stop was so close tight though that you know what, I'm starting to think maybe I should put my stop at 10. Yeah, because see, it was at 5, and 10 is where it should have been for that. So that was my second trade. So now I'm just gonna wait and see for my third trade what I'm gonna do. Well, that's a big rejection, but it's still gonna come right back by where these orders are. So the orders are gone now from 53.15. They grabbed those orders. 53.10 is some orders there though. Sorry. This is in the way. 53.10. So that's where it looks like the orders are now. 53.10 is like 100 orders there. So price may be going to there. Should come down to 53.10. And it's a lot of rejection here on the 1 minute candle. Look at those wicks. A lot of rejection here. It's that 53.12 again, but them orders now is at 53.10. At least that's what Bookmark is saying. 53.10, 70 orders. Not much, but yeah, it's low. And it's also some orders 53.25. Does it want to go up there? Let's see. Oh, see, it went back to my 928 level and dropped. So it is respecting that 928. I should have took that. I wasn't looking. Where's the 932 candle? This is the 932. It's right at the 9. They both right there. Just gonna wait a second. Mhm. Because price is confused. It doesn't know what it wants to do. I'm not, looks like it's trying to do a downtrend though. You know? But it may just go down to 53.10. That's why I don't want to get in there. Because that would have been a good trail down, going down 53. I should have gotten that. I was about to, but we're knocking out those because my stops. I mean like a drop where it's just drop, drop, drop. That's what I'm waiting for. You got in at the 928, but it's playing games. Yes, Jay. Good morning. It is playing games. And I'm on an Apex account and you know that trailing drawdown. So I have automatic trailing stops. So after 20 ticks, I go and profit 15 ticks and I would keep getting knocked out. So I already got my trailing stop hit once. And then it trails 5 ticks behind, and because it's playing crazy like this, I gotta wait. At 53.10 though, on the book map, it's showing that it still orders there. It's 76 orders at 53.10 for buys. So it may hit this and go up. If it rejects, I'm gonna get in for a buy. And it looked like it's rejecting. So it looked like it wanna come down some more before it goes. But there, it's going up. Okay, come on. I don't know how far it's gonna go up though. I don't want to miss out on what my profit is already. So, oh shoot, I meant to stop that before. I'm $280 negative when I was just up. It hit that and went up, but it came down hard on me. That's crazy. It took liquidity and I was looking like it's trying to reverse for the day. Maybe take out those wick highs. Yeah, for sure. Those highs I have them marked off. Let's see. Uh, the This is the overnight high though, all the way up here. And this is the low, overnight low. I feel like it wants to do that, but so stupid. I should have took my profit when I was up those 10 ticks. I was up like 15 ticks, but it's like so wishy-washy right now. Like it's hitting the levels, but it's just going back and forth so much that I can't like really get a profit because I'm gonna get stopped out. I should have took my profit when I was up. It's because it hit this 53.10 book map level, and you see from there, it has went from there back up 50, but my stops is like killing me. Look at that. Yeah, I think I want to hit those highs too, Jay. Let's see what happened. It's 928 level. I can't take too many more trades because I think that was my my third trade, and I'm only supposed to take 3 trades. I took 1 trade already.
You are in the same boat for Greenland or not?
Dang, that was a good push. I know. From the book map level, girl, that book map level, it had a whole bunch of orders there. 5310 had like 100 orders, and now 5307 had orders. Let's see who had. 5330 have 100 orders for sales. 5330. So let's see. I need to mark that 5330.
So,
Right. So let's see what happens when it gets there. 5330 have 100 orders. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna take a trade from there. So Bookmap is on Thinkorswim. You get it for free, but you have to pay $40 a month if you want. All right, it went up there if to change to be able to see ES and stuff like that, because it changes. You only can see QQQ on it. You only can see QQQ on it. Trying to move this, but I can't even move it. Oh, okay, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, you see me? Oh, I got knocked out. Okay, that was good. I'm at $1,500, so I'm good. I'm not trading anymore. Yes. Okay, so I tell you about Bookmap. Okay, hit that Bookmap level 5330, and it shot down. I recovered my $200 loss that I had from the other trade I made, and now I'm at $1,500, and I'm not taking no more trades. I'm logging out my Trading account right now on my phone. So I take I take my trades on Trading right here. Y'all can see, because I have my ATM strategy right there, and this is my ATM strategy. You probably can't see the whole thing, but it basically is 6 contracts, and my take profit for 3 contracts is 200 ticks. My take profit for another 3 contracts is 400 ticks, and it starts with a 10 tick stop loss. Now I have it that high because if I get into a trade and price shoots crazy because of some news or whatever the case is, it'll look, it's hitting that 928 again and bouncing and coming down, Jay. Then I'll be able to catch that big move. But I don't really be expecting to catch that move unless something like major just happens in the middle of my trade. But my profit trigger is 20 ticks. When it gets to 20 ticks, my auto break even goes into profit 15 ticks. So that leaves me a 5 tick trailing stop. And then and that's going to stay at 15 ticks until it gets to 25 ticks. And then when it gets to 25 ticks, it's going to trail it 5 ticks behind the whole time. So if it goes to 400 ticks, it's just going to keep on trailing it 5 ticks. So I never lose more than 5 ticks. But so the Bookmap subscription, Jay, is on Thinkorswim, or you could go to bookmap.com, but I feel like their subscription is higher because you have to buy data and all that stuff. But I had QQQ over here because I'm going to start trading options on NASDAQ, Jay. But this is ES right here. And so basically, this is the heat map, and then this is the current order book. So this just tells where all the orders are. Right now at 5332 is 200 and something orders. And then let's see down here. And so you want to look at orders that's 60 orders or more. And price usually reacts wherever it's 60 orders or more. So it's 80 orders right now at 5310. And so price might go down there, react, and come back up to this 53. What is this? 53.32. But they keep moving them. Oh, look at that. They keep moving the orders. It's like 200 and something orders, but they keep moving them up. And that's the thing with ES. It moves a lot. The orders are bigger and they switch them a lot. Because it's the S&P 500, so more people trade it. NASDAQ, the orders don't move this much. Like the orders sit there for way longer. But these keep on coming here. They're going to stay here. So 53.30 and 53.32 is where the next drop should happen if it goes up there. And then, so yeah, Jay, if you get bookmap.com, but you have to buy data with them if you do that. You can attach your prop firm accounts to it, but that data don't be good. I tried to do that. I didn't like that. So then I found out you can get bookmap on Thinkorswim for free. And it gives you QQQ for free. But if you want to be able to see like futures, ES futures or NQ futures or other assets, you have to pay $40 a month, which is worth it because you see $40 a month showed me that 53.30 was a place to put this, and then that just made me $1,500 today. So for $40 a month, $1,500 for in the day, I'll take it. So yeah, y'all know I got a job and I need to do some work. I have some builds to do. Y'all know I told y'all I'm a software architect, applications analyst, both same thing. Oh, look at this pattern right here. And I need to do some work. I made my trade for today. So if it break this, I would say get this 928 is 928 and 932 candles both are at the same level right there on the 1 minute. So this the 928 right here, and then this is the 932. So that's a really good level. Price gonna keep reacting to. See, yep, it dropped underneath that, and it's probably gonna come down here. You may retest it though, it does retest it. Okay, thanks for all the info and good time log out. Yeah, no more trades. I'm logging out. Yep, have a good weekend. Oh yeah, everybody, tomorrow is a holiday, so it's a no trade day. And like I said, I think on next week, Monday, I'm going to start, Jay, if you still there, listen, I'm going to start a small account challenge because with ES futures, you can put $50 in an account and trade one MES contract. So I may put a couple $100 in my live account that I have and trade MES, like 3 to 4 contracts or something and see what happens. But, all right, y'all, I'm logging out. Jay Wright, I'm logging out because sitting on the chart will make you want to trade more. So I'm out. Let me stop this stream. Everybody have a good weekend.